Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create filters for your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let's get started right away. Now, let's assume you have a list like that here with party guests and you would like to filter out party guests who have declined your invitation using a table like that here. So all you need to do, guys, is select both headers of your table just like that. And after that, click on data here at the top and click or select create a filter. And that's basically it. Now you will see an icon just like that here in the top right corner. So click on it and select the filter you would like to apply. So for demonstration purposes, in this case here, I would like to filter out all party guests that have declined my invitation. So make sure to unselect the data you don't want to filter out, which in this case here is yes. And that is going to leave us with all the party guests that have answered with no here on that table. And that's it, guys. That's how you apply a filter to your documents on Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.